Okay, excuse me, Heidi. I'm going to go ahead and run through how you can access these and show you the file format and so forth for your recordings. So I am using IE as a browser. This is not my normal choice of a browser. I think it stinks, frankly, but Chrome has some compatibility issues that I don't have time to address right now. So I'll go ahead and show you this in IE. So I'm going to direct my browser to, let me scooch the page down so you can see it. Normally I don't show that part, but let's go to connect.emporia.edu. Okay, and I'll scooch that back up out of the way. You'll just log on here using your normal ESU credentials. Okay, and so this will bring you into your meetings page. Really isn't where you want to go. You can see a list of your meetings here and open them, but you want to go to the meetings link right here on the toolbar. So you'll just see your meetings here. I see everyone because I'm an admin, but you'll see your name here and your meetings. And so what you'll do to access recordings is scroll down to the one that you need. I'll use this one. We created this one for class the other night. When you click that link, you'll see a lot more information become available. So what we're going to be keying in on is recordings here. You can always go back into your room. You can reuse rooms and add multiple recordings to them. So you can either create new rooms each time or just create a new recording each time. I would probably do all my recordings in one room and just name them in terms of focus group A, focus group B, or however you're setting up your interviews. Having said that, let me come over here to the recordings link and I'll show you that this is a recording we did Monday night in class. So now we're going to drill down a little bit. Boop. So I'm going to click on that underlined link and now we see the button to make offline. So I'm going to click that button, resize my window a little bit, and we're going to get a message here. Playing back your recording will allow you to save it to your local machine. And so I'm not going to click this. What will happen is you'll click proceed with offline recording and it will play that back for you. You have to just let the whole thing play back. So just hide it someplace where it's not visible to you. And as it points out here, don't like install software or run other heavy programs for the time that's up. You'll just click this and then the recording will appear and it'll save it out for you. So I, in fact, will close these because I've already done that. And here on my terribly messy desktop, you'll see the file that was downloaded. I only let a few minutes of it run. And you can see it's in an FLV format. So you may need a converter to use it in your recorder, but I'm not sure. Whether it'll play for you or not, you'll have to check it. Yeah, it's called AVS for you. So let me open the application real quick. There we go. And you would just then choose your output type. This comes in a free version, so you shouldn't have to worry about paying for it. I'm sure you won't have any budget left after you buy a transcribing machine like a court stenographer uses. Let's go ahead and leave the past and come back to 2013. Anyway, so you'll just choose your output. So it'll recognize the output that it was. So let me see what the name of it was. It was called LA815. So I would just browse out here and see if I can find it on the list here. There it is right there. So I would select that guy. It'll load into the page. And then I can choose. I can kick it out to AVI. I can kick it out to, you probably wouldn't want WMV. But I'm sure, let's see what else we have. I'm sure one of these would be of use to you. There's MPEG, there's MP4. As I said earlier, I don't think you can strip out the audio files, but you should be able to go ahead and, just moving that timer here, you should be able to go ahead and convert it to something usable for your voice recognition product. So I hope that's helpful, and if not, shoot me another email.